Hi, this is Rebekah here with the Tailored Realty team, and in this series we are talking about ways to make your offer stand out. Now I have a tip for you today that doesn't cost you a dime, and it's a goodie for sure. So if you're looking at a property that's a part of an association, which could be a single family home, always townhouses and always condos, there's something called the right of rescission, which means that by state law you have 10 days to review all association documents once they are received by you, and make sure that you are able to abide by the rules and restrictions of the association. Now that state law says you have 10 days to review the documents once they are received, not the date of the purchase agreement necessarily, the date that they are received. Now a very little known fact is that you cannot negate your right for rescission, that's what it's called, the right of rescission, but what you can do is you can move your right of rescission from 10 days down to 3. The 3 days is more than enough time to actually review all the different documents, so you still get your right of rescission, it just moves it from 10 days to 3 days. So there you go. That's a very, very, very powerful negotiating tip that you can have with a seller that most people don't even know about, and it doesn't cost you a dime. So if you have any other questions, make sure you reach out. Rebekah at tailoredrealtyteam.com.